Wedding season is in full swing, and what better time than to upload this tutorial for you all. Hi guys, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and for today's video I've come up with this look right here, which is a wedding guest makeup tutorial. So since wedding season is on, so I thought to come up with this look. I've already one wedding guest makeup up on my channel already, but that's a very simple one, and with this one I've come up with a glitter eyes. It's a bold eyes with a super bold lip. And if you have a wedding to attend as a guest, or if you have a wedding in your own family, like your sister or brother is getting married or your cousin, and you don't want to go to a parlor, so I've come up with this look so that I can help you guys to achieve this look and you can rock the wedding season. If you like what you see, keep on watching. Also, if you all are wondering what's up with my hair, so I just tried a new tool yesterday which I received, and that's the reason my hair is looking all curly and voluminized. So I thought not to wash my hair today because I wanted to keep something different for my hair for this video, because straight hair is boring and that's what I keep all the time. So I wanted to experiment this time, and that's why this hair is what you are seeing for this tutorial. I don't know how much this is looking good. Do let me know in the comment section below if you're liking this curly hair or my straight hair is better. And yeah, now let's begin with the video, and also all the product details will be mentioned in the description box down below. Starting with the skincare first, I'm using my favorite moisturizer from the Face Shop. This is the Chia Seed Moisturizer, and this one is a hydrating one, so it gives a very nice hydration and moisturizing effect. I'm blending it really nicely into my skin. And then for the lips, I'm moving on with my Maybelline's Baby Lips Lip Balm so that my lips are really moisturized. And then to further prime my face, I'm using MAC's Fix Plus. It is a very nice alternative. You can use it before makeup as well as to set the makeup. And then to prime my face, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is in the Radiance version, and it gives a very nice sheen effect and also fills in your pores. To start with, I will be concealing my dark circles and other dark spots on my face using my MAC concealer. You should always cover your dark circles, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, discoloration before starting your makeup, because a good base is equal to a good makeup. And after concealing, I'm using my foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. It's very nice and creamy, and I've just striped it all across my face. It blends into the skin really well, and I'm using my Forever 21 sponge to blend it all in. Now to highlight my under eyes and other highest points of the face, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Concealer. Again, this is a very nice creamy concealer, blends into the skin really well, and also a very good dupe to NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm using this same sponge to blend it all in. Now to set the under eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. This is a dupe to Huda Beauty's loose powder. That's what I've heard, and it is a really nice powder. I'm loving it. I'm obsessing over it a lot, and it's a very finely milled powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using Sephora's Compact, and I will also be setting my eyelids using a sponge so that I don't have any creases and my eyeshadows blend really well. After the base, I'll move on to my eyebrows. For that, I'm using NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And filling your eyebrows is really important. It gives so much of definition to your face, and this is a very nice product. I'm just filling the gaps and also filling the product as per my hair growth, like vertical and horizontal. And with the help of the spoolie, I will just spread the product like this and see how much of difference a filling an eyebrow can give. Moving on to the main part of the look, I'm using Huda Beauty's palette. This is a very nice palette and apt for festive season and special occasions. And I'm using sandalwood color, which is a very nice earthy color, and I'm placing it all over my crease like so, and using a blending brush, and I'm blending this color very nicely into my crease. And then I'm taking this dark brown color called Bossy, and I'm placing it right at outer V of my eyes, and I'm then taking it under my crease where I've applied the sandalwood color and blending it nicely. And now I'm taking the star of the show, which is this color called Dubai. This is a very nice glitter color, and with the help of my fingers I'm placing it all over my eyelids like this. See how gorgeous it is looking. And now I'm taking this dark color which is called Black Truffle, and I'm just enhancing this look a bit more. I'm placing it at the outer V of my eyes and I'm blending it with this bronze color. Blending is the key for the eyeshadow, so keep on blending. For the kajal, I'm using this plum kajal. This is a super black kajal. Really like this kajal a lot. And I will blend this kajal using two colors that I've applied on the crease, and I'm just blending it all in. And then I'm priming my lashes because I'll be applying falsies later. I'm just applying the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline on my top and bottom lashes. And for the lashes, I'm using Glow Beauty. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm using NYX matte bronzer, and this is the one that I fixed in one of my videos, and this is a very nice bronzer. I'm blending it really nicely and bronzing up my cheeks. And then moving on to the blush, I'm using this Bourjois blush. This is a very nice peachy orangish blush, and it has a shimmer particles in it and looks so beautiful for night parties especially. And then I'm moving on to the favorite part, which is putting highlighter, and for that I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline's Molten Gold. And see how blinding it is using just one swipe. I'm highlighting all the usual places, which is the cheekbone area, bridge of the nose, chin and cupid's bow. I like to apply 2 coats of it, and I love the glow that it gives me. See how glowing my face is looking. And then I'm just highlighting my brow bone area and also the inner corners of the eyes, and doing these 2 steps also enhances the look even more. Now for the lips, I've gone little bold this time. I'm using this deep burgundy color from Maybelline, and I will be applying it with the help of this lip filling brush because dark colors works better if you outline them. So I'm just using the brush and the same lipstick to outline it, and then I will fill in my lips using the lipstick. I have used a very deep color, but you can always use a nude color or color of your choice if you're not comfortable using this one. I don't use deep colors that much, but I thought to give it a try this time. Lastly, to lock all that makeup, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just spraying generously all over my face. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed watching this one, and before leaving this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button for all my video updates, and like this video and also share with your family and friends if you really liked it. Do leave your comment down below in the comment section below. I always mention that I love reading your comments. I really love connecting with you guys. So yeah, do leave your comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.